I was looking for a job. I wanted something that was local. And once I got started, I really enjoyed the work we were doing. Like, I could tell there was other areas that I could grow to. I mostly do all the electrical installing. I run all the harnesses. I install the PTO wiring and the cabs, and pretty much all the wiring on a KMT. The opportunities for growth has been tremendous. I got asked to go to Louisville to learn the KMT line, so I got to travel, I got to see other facilities. I've learned electrical. I've also got my welding certificate here. I do this job and I take pride in it because I would want the customer to take pride in it. Wherever my adventure takes me here, I'm going to stick here, whether it becomes a manager on the floor or quality or even in the material handling. I'll enjoy doing all of it, and I can't wait.